Hey guys, so the project I have going on today is this board. I'll show you what I'm doing with it. Okay, so believe it or not, we actually got this chalkboard for $10 at a yard sale, and I already spray painted the around the edges, like the molding part, when we first got it, so I don't have to worry about that right now. It's not a perfect job, but it'll do. I do plan on getting rid of the letters up there, and I have some plans for this side with the paper right here, so we'll see how this turns out. I picked up some posters, and I have a schedule there that we'll be working with, and a clock, and all this other stuff. So let's get started. I have the table actually right behind me, so it's hard to get a good view of everything, but just want to show you quick what's up here. So on the chalkboard here, normally I might keep that down there, but because of the children, I put that up top. And I have pens, chalk, eraser, and then I have a bunch of these. These are my to-do lists, which I'll keep up here. That's a daily thing that I do. And I got these 2 posters right here. I just got those today. And I have our schedule, which I'll probably go over in another video. And a clock up there to help us with the schedule. And that's everything. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can like it down below. Also subscribe if you aren't already, and thanks for watching. Bye!